In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join nodes in Inkscape. If you've ever had tiny gaps in a path, or you want to merge two corners into a single point for a cleaner outline, joining nodes is the tool you need. Let's walk through the process in a smooth, beginner-friendly way so you can follow along confidently. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. When it opens, you'll see the main workspace with a blank canvas in the center and toolbars around it. Don't worry if your theme or icons look slightly different. The controls we use are in the same places across versions. On that blank canvas, you can either open an existing design or work with something new. If you already have a file, load it up so you can work directly on your paths. If you're starting fresh, any path-based object will do, such as a simple shape or a line you've drawn. The key is that you're working with nodes on a path. To access the nodes, switch to the Node tool from the toolbar on the left. It looks like a cursor with a small node next to it. Click your path to reveal its nodes. Now, choose the two specific nodes you want to merge. Hold the Shift key and click the first node, then click the second. Selected nodes will change color, often blue or red, so you have a clear visual confirmation that exactly those two are active. With those two nodes selected, look to the Tool Controls bar along the top, just beneath the main menu. Find the icon labeled Join Selected Nodes. It looks like two small squares merging into one. Click that icon. In a single action, the two selected nodes become one, closing the gap or simplifying the corner, and your path updates immediately. If the Join icon appears grayed out, double-check that you have exactly two nodes selected. It won't activate if you've selected only one, or more than two, or if nothing is selected. Also make sure you've actually clicked the path with the Node tool, so the nodes are visible and selectable. A couple of quick tips to polish your result. Zoom in closely to inspect the join and make sure there's no unintended kink or gap. After joining, you can adjust the curve by dragging the node's handles with the Node tool to smooth out the transition. This is especially helpful on curved segments where you want a seamless flow. That's all there is to it. Launch Inkscape, open or create a path, select two nodes with Shift-click, and use the Join Selected Nodes icon. With this simple technique, your paths will look cleaner and your edits will be much faster.